So let's talk about the big R word, recession. We have them in a capitalist country. We have them about every 7 to 10 years is when we have an economic recession. And they're necessary. Recessions, generally, people have taken on too much debt. We have a slowdown in the economy, and then the debt bites them in the fannies, we like to say. But recessions also affect real estate. When people feel wealthy, when they feel like they have a job, they feel like their pay is going up, they have confidence to buy real estate. So how do you prepare for a recession? I've lived through a few of these, and here's what I learned from a recession is cash flow is king. So in a recession, typically assets go down, stocks go down, real estate might go down. And so the last thing you want to do in a recession is sell. You don't want to sell stocks at a discount. You don't want to sell real estate at a discount. You want to retain that asset until it goes back up again. People get in trouble in recessions when they lose their cash flows, they lose their job, their business's income goes down, and now they're not making money, they're losing money. And then that's what happens to business. They go bankrupt because they took on too much debt. They were overconfident. Perhaps they didn't continue to innovate their product or services. Somebody moves on to a different product or service. And there's a great saying about bankruptcy is that bankruptcy happens slowly and then all of a sudden. And that's true both on a personal level and a business level. So for me, what I would say to somebody in a recession, recessions are opportunities if you have cash flow, because you can buy stocks at a discount. You can buy real estate at a discount. You can buy assets at a discount. Currently, gold just hit its all-time high. It's over $4,000 an ounce because people are parking money in gold because they think it's safe, and they're nervous. They're nervous about the economy. They're nervous about the stock market. They're nervous about a possible recession. But my only advice is people have gotten very wealthy in recessions because they had good cash flow, they had little debt, and they took advantage of the mistakes of others. So hopefully that holds true for you as well.
Okay, and then the next one is, can I afford to buy now? What are the monthly payments for a house in Southern California?
Yeah,